Mga kaibigan, isang magandang gabi ho sa atin. Medyo oily ho yung mukha natin ngayon mga kaibigan. It is because we are so busy in our schedule, in our tour of duty right now mga kaibigan. Once again, happy Sabbath din kahapon to Honorable Judge sa Jimmy Bustelibo ko. Mayong gabi. And also mga kaibigan, I would like to ask a little bit of understanding for my discussions right after for many days that we don't have enough time because our Facebook page was report, no, there is someone who reported with that mga kaibigan. So once again, good morning na, no? It is already 12:49 a.m. and March 17. Thank you so much to all of you, especially to all the people around the world in different races and different culture and different religions and different beliefs. With all due respect, from here in the Philippines, good morning from the people of Italy, which is our friend over there. Buongiorno. So thank you so much for watching us mga kaibigan. That's we are here today. That every one of us there is rights or mandated rights under the law and under the procedural and the protocols of law mga kaibigan, in which under of or forcing anyone to attend, especially forcing anyone to attend every hearing mga kaibigan in the legitimate what do you call this, that legitimate health concern. It is the big violations in the fundamental rights of the humanitarian principle under the law. So those people who are asking with that, no, especially there is a lot of the people asking me like that. So my answer is so limited because in the first place, I am not a lawyer here. I am not one of those experts that you need or you want to listen ang captured concrete idea and concrete opinion. So obvious I am not an expert. But one, you listen with my words. It is from the box. It is more on box, mga kaibigan. That's forcing anyone to attend in any invitations to the court in the legitimate health concern. It is the biggest violations of the principle of the humanitarian rights or the humanitarian principle under the law. So it must be to understand first. Do not understand the law itself through the literal in meaning, because you cannot capture the idea of the law what does not meaning to yourselves. It should be to understand also through the spirit of understanding by the law, because the law, it's all about it is in abstract in nature, because in every decisions in the court there is a lot of decision in every court of law around the world, not only here in the country. There should be an it is making of that the decisions that if all the decisions of the court must be in the good standing, there is no debate with that mga kaibigan. So that's why we are, there is a lawyer, the one who study about the workloads of the law in order to know what is the most significant or what is the most it should be to what is the density of the before to come up into the verdict of the certain individual who are violating the rules and regulations of the law. So, it's must be to understand first, not by our own understanding, mga kaibigan. So, there is a law out there, mga kaibigan, yun, no? So, thank you so much.